spot here. Lots of fish in here. So we'll see if we can catch anything in here. Oh, had a bite. Alright, well, they took my bait. Let's go off to the next spot, I suppose. It's kind of hard to see in there. There's all kind of... Oh! I think that's a fish. That's a pontoon boat. Wow. Wow. I'm catching them left and right now. Look at the color on this one. Pretty neat. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Calm down. That's what I thought. Beautiful. I lost him. Whoops. There he goes. Alright, move down a little bit here. Oh. Leave out like this. Oh,